Hello, I'm Johannes from the OZO team at Nokia. Welcome back to this series about the Unity plugin for OZO Player SDK. In this video I will demonstrate how to modify the previous sample player to have more controls. We are going to make a simple user interaction for rewind and fast forward. So we start with the previous project and scene. Let's save it with another name. Okay, now you have it saved and you can continue with the new sample. Let's select the player game object and double-click the player control script component. This will start the editor of your choice. In Windows I'm using the Visual Studio. I can quickly show the important parts of the sample. So here in this code there is the OZO player interface. This is what you use to access all the features in the SDK. Important part is also the initialization in the awake function. Here you will pass the license ID and you can set the parameters if you want to have the analytics on or off. Now I will go to the update function where there is the play controls and we will add some code there. So at first we check if it's still in the playing state, so the video has been started. We ask the orientation from the Unity's VR library. We take the dot product with the up and the orientation, so we know how much the user is looking up or down. Then we compare it. The value here is normalized, so we can compare it to between -1 and 1. And in the else, when you look down, we seek 1 second forward and use the modulo operation so we don't seek over the duration of the video. Now that the code is written, we can test it on the device. Okay, now that you know how to interface with the SDK, you can do even more advanced controls. For this, I encourage you to check the VR tools that the Unity provides. There are already samples for gaze tracking controls for the UI, for example. In the next video, we will be looking into more complete sample application that we provide. Thanks for watching.